If you're over 65 and suddenly feel dizzy, unsteady, or like the room spins when you turn your head, this is not just aging, and it's probably not your legs either. The real cause may be something tiny, hidden deep inside your ear, throwing off your balance completely. The good news? It's often fixable, sometimes in minutes. Welcome to Dr. Laurin, Health and Wellness Specialist, where we help you stay strong, stable, and independent as you age. Today, we're uncovering the real reason balance suddenly fails after 65, and a simple method that may help restore it. Section 1. The Great Balance Myth. Most people are told their balance problems come from weak legs, or simply old age, so they start walking more, doing leg exercises, trying to build strength. But here's the truth. You can have strong legs and still feel like you're going to fall. Because balance is not just about muscles. It's controlled by your brain and a delicate system inside your inner ear. Section 2. The Real Cause. Inside your inner ear is your body's balance control system, called the vestibular system. Think of it as your internal GPS. It tells your brain where your head is, how you're moving, and how to stay upright. Now here's what many people don't know. Inside this system are tiny calcium crystals. As you age, these crystals can become loose and drift into the wrong part of your ear. When that happens, your brain receives incorrect signals. So even when you're standing still, your brain thinks you're moving. That's why you may feel sudden spinning when lying down, dizziness when turning your head, unsteadiness while walking. This condition is called BPPV, and it's one of the most common causes of dizziness after 65. Section 3. Why exercise doesn't fix it. Here's the problem. If your inner ear is sending the wrong signals, no amount of leg strength will fix that. That's why many people feel frustrated. They're doing everything right but still feel off balance. Because the issue isn't weakness, it's miscommunication inside your body. Section 4. The Inner Ear Fix. Now here's the good news. There's a simple technique called the Epley maneuver that helps reposition those loose crystals. Here's how it works. Sit upright on your bed. Turn your head 45 degrees toward the side that triggers dizziness. Quickly lie back with your head slightly hanging off the edge. Hold for about 30 seconds. Slowly turn your head to the opposite side. Hold again. Roll onto your side with your nose facing down. Hold, then slowly sit back up. These movements guide the crystals back into place, restoring correct balance signals. Important. Move slowly and carefully. If symptoms are severe, consult a healthcare professional before trying this. Section 5. What you can expect. Many people feel relief quickly, sometimes after just 1 or 2 attempts. The spinning sensation fades, walking feels more stable, and your confidence begins to return. Section 6. When to seek help. If your dizziness lasts continuously for days, comes with hearing loss, or leads to fainting, you should seek medical attention immediately, because not all balance problems are caused by this condition. Outro. If this helped you, subscribe to Dr. Laurin, Health and Wellness Specialist, for simple, science-based health tips for life after 60. Your balance isn't gone. It just needs the right reset.